Family banding ko na pero parang sinima sa sobrang lapit namin sa TV mga langga. Nanonood kami ng The Chosen habang kumakain pero feeling ko kami yung choosy na masira yung mata mga langga. Sobrang lapit talaga sa TV. So si Mr. ko naman na New Yorker, sanay na siya sa ganitong setup. Wala siyang pakialam basta may pagkain sa lamesa, game siya mga langga. Sa lapit ng TV parang makakausap na namin si Jesus face to face mga langga. At yung anak ko naman, wala siyang pakialam din basta busy siya sa kinakain niya mga langga.
It's a difficult question. For someone else.
John and Big James, they went to look for Jesus because they didn't feel comfortable him being on his own.
Yeah.
And so Jesus was out. I don't know for what particular reason.
Yeah.
And he's out there, and then John and Big James, they see Jesus.
Yeah.
And then there's a couple of people that were Samaritans, and they get there. Something happens where the Samaritans doesn't like the Jews, and then they start to spit at Jesus.
Yeah.
And John and James, they become infuriated because this was a huge form of disrespect towards the Messiah. So in my mind, I thought of, say for example, you are Jesus, right? Of course, this is just an analogy, as a way to behave, in a way to how to behave and compose yourself in difficult situations. So imagine you're Jesus, and John and Big James are remember, between a stimulus and a response, there's a what?
I forget the word.
Pause.
Tapos,
You spoke that with Ateana.
when Tatiana is here,
Yes,
if you react negatively, if you're upset, it's better to pause.
correct. So Jesus
Pause.
served as the pause. You understand? Because the pause is to think about the bigger picture, right? And the bigger picture, what Jesus was doing, it wasn't about the incident. It's not about the incident, someone disrespecting you, and then, and then you're gonna, then what? Then you're gonna have a fight, and then what? It's gonna ruin, it's gonna ruin the message that Jesus was trying to spread,
Spread the words.
the word of God, right? He was thinking about the big picture, and he was saying his job was to sow seeds, not burn bridges.
To see what?
Sow seeds.
Sausage.
not-
Sausage.
Seeds.
Sausage like
Well, it's more like ideas. Like he was spreading a message.
Sausage like
the
a-
message. And
like
the seeds were the word of God, right? And he wanted to implant that in people's minds.
Correct.
For that to stay there for generations, right? Because he wanted to show that how powerful.
What is
his
the spelling of
message
sausage?
was. So, I think it's SOW. So. Sow seeds. It's more
Seeds.
like
Seeds.
Seeds is
Ah.
SEED.
Yes. Okay.
Sow seeds. What it means to plant the seeds.
Mm.
It's to plant seeds. Okay. So when you plant seeds, you're creating a harvest, right? To give to other people.
Okay.
You
Understand that.
Yeah. So when you're sowing seeds, he's planting the message, and then he's giving that message to other. The core message was to pause, right? And he was the pause right there, right? Strong emotions about what happened. It's not about the event. It's about the bigger